Now I will explain design process. As an editor, I use Canva and VN apps to edit videos. First of all, I choose the background color first. The title is in the top center and uses no raster font. Our video layout is landscape with 16:9 ratio to adjust the video position on YouTube. The video description is in the middle so that the audience can understand the video we are presenting. The video explanation is taken from our website and some from Google. Each presenter is in the bottom right with landscape layout, and each person has a maximum of 2 minutes to explain so that it is easier to manage the specific time limit of 10 minutes according to the instruction given through online learning. In the video, there is an explanation regarding how we make the website and how we work as a team, explained by NADJWEEN, how we use the website, explained by IRDEENA, what challenges we face, explained by NAZIERA, and how we overcome challenges, explained by AISYA.
Next, I'm going to explain how we create our website. We build our website using Wix, a widely used e-commerce platform that provides pre-designed templates and intuitive tools tailored for small businesses and startups, as it does not require advanced coding skills, which made it ideal for our team. The website was specifically designed for our online makeup business, Collier Cosmetics. We adopted a bold and feminine maroon theme design concept in our color schemes, typography, and layout to reflect our brand identity and resonate with our primary target market as female Gen Z consumers who value style, authenticity, and ease of navigation. To enhance user experience, we categorize our products by usage, such as face, eyes, and lips, making it easy for customers to find what they need and discover related items. Each product includes a detailed description to help customers choose what's best for their skin. We also feature new arrivals on the homepage to grab attention and boost engagement.
Today, I'll be explaining on how customers can use our website, Collier Cosmetics. So the website that we developed for Collier Cosmetics is designed with a strong emphasis on user experience, ensuring seamless and intuitive navigation. Users can easily explore products by selecting specific categories or simply browsing through the All Products section to view the complete range available. Once they have identified the items they wish to purchase, the customers can specify the exact shades or colors that they would like to purchase for that product. If the customers would like to know more about the products, they can click preview and there is a full description of the product to give the rough idea of its content to our customers. Then, customers can conveniently add them to their shopping cart and proceed to a streamlined checkout process. Additionally, to support our customers throughout their shopping journey, we have integrated a chat with agent feature. This real-time support function allows users to connect with a customer service representative who can assist them in selecting the most suitable products based on their individual needs and preferences. So now, if the users wanted to have an overview of all products that are available on our website, then they can click on the Shop All up here. And so it will then lead them to the page where it showcases all of our products that are available in our store. And if they wanted to buy only specific product, then they can click on the categories that are available, for example face up here, and then it will lead them to the foundation page. And also, as you can see, besides the foundation, there is also highlighter. So for the foundation, we have 3 types of foundations that we offer. So for example, if they wanted to get a matte perfection foundation, then they can click on the picture and it will lead them to the overview of the product. And then down here is where the description of the product will be. And so the customer will have an idea of what they are getting from our store. And so here for the matte perfection foundation, the description would be long-lasting matte foundation for oily skin. So here the users would know that this foundation is suitable for oily skin. And if they are interested to buy this product, then they can select the shades that are available. So for example, I'm selecting the shade 10, and they can also choose how many quantities that they would like to buy. So I just wanted to buy only one for now, and I'm going to add it to cart. And then you could see here in the cart that this is the item I have selected to buy. And then if the users wanted to buy some other products, then they can click here, for example, lip glosses, and it will lead the users to the lip glosses page. And we have 3 types of lip glosses that are available to choose from. And so now I wanted to add the Essence Treatment Lip Gloss. And so again, same steps. I'll just click on the picture of the product and it will show the overview of the selected lip gloss, the shades that are available, the quantity, and of course the description of the product on the bottom. So for the shades, I am going to be selecting the hot red one, and this time I wanted to buy 2 pieces, so I'll just add 2 quantities here and add it to cart. And now you can see that I have 2 different types of items in the cart, which are the foundation and also the lip gloss. So then the users can proceed to check out if they are done with the shopping.
Now, I'm going to explain how we work as a team. Our team demonstrated effective collaboration and task management throughout the entire project. We began by thoroughly analyzing and outlining all the necessary components required for the successful completion of our business initiative. Following this, we conducted a team meeting to finalize the concept of our business and to ensure a fair and strategic delegation of responsibilities among all the members. To optimize efficiency and maintain quality, we divided the team into two primary roles, which are website developers and YouTube content creators. This division helped prevent overlap and disorganization, allowing each subgroup to focus on their respective tasks while ensuring a more polished and professional outcome. Despite having clearly defined roles, we maintain open communication and we also constantly collaborating. Team members frequently consulted one another for clarification and also feedback or approval to ensure a consistency in vision and execution. This approach allowed us to remain aligned with our objectives, reinforcing a shared understanding of our business goals and how they should be achieved.
I would like to talk about challenge faced during the project. First, time constraint. While working on this group project, one of the main challenges we faced was time constraint. Each group member had a different schedule and personal commitments, either for the academic work or personal matter. Because of this, it was hard to us to find suitable time to meet in person. So, most of our discussion had to be done online using platforms like WhatsApp or Google Meet. Even though this platform helped us to communicate from a distance, there was some problem. Sometimes we had bad internet connection, unclear audio, and it was hard for everyone to focus at the same time. This issue made our discussion to less effective and delay our decision. It also made it harder to divide tasks and share ideas, which is added pressure to complete the project on the time. Okay, next, lack of exposure to the task. Other problem we faced was the lack of experience in doing the task. Our project required us to build the website for the e-commerce business based on the product or the service we choose. However, some group members did not have any knowledge or experience in building website, either in terms of design or technical work. This made it harder to complete the project, especially when we had to use website building tools, arrange visual elements, and understand the website structure, such as homepage, product page, or an order form. Because of this, some members need more time to learn and get used to the tool. We also had to spend extra time looking for information, watching online tutorial, and asking more experienced people for help. This challenge give us extra pressure because apart of the preparing of website contents, we also had to learn new skill in a short time. Last but not least, different in idea or decision. During our group discussion, each member share different idea and opinions. This gives us many creative suggestions, but it also made it harder to agree in one decision. Everyone believed in the idea was the best. For example, when choosing the product to sell on the e-commerce platform, each member suggests a different item, such as shoes, makeup, jewelry, stationery, and sport equipment. Because of this, the discussion took a long time and we could not decide quickly.
I'm going to explain about how we overcome the challenges. Despite of having many challenges, we managed to overcome it by, firstly, for time constraints, adaptable visual communication approach. As face-to-face meetings pose challenges, our team implement well-defined guidelines for visual conversations, potentially utilizing platforms with reliable connections, or reserving certain times for important discussion where internet use is emphasized. We also make use of tools such as collaborative documents and asynchronous messaging. Next, task prioritizing and time management, where every member will rank project tasks in relation to their other responsibilities, and employ personal time management strategies to guarantee advancements, even if in only minor steps. So, second ways is for the lack of exposure to the task. From this, we do the guidance and collaborative tasks. Experienced member will guide their less experienced, possibly by collaborating on particular elements of the website design or technical responsibilities. Then, we also use initial skill evaluation at the beginning of the project. Evaluating the skill levels of all team members could have facilitated more strategic distribution of their tasks, enabling focused training and assistance when necessary. Lastly, for the third challenges, which is differences in ideas and decisions. We organize decision-making procedure, establish a transparent decision-making procedure. This may include generating all ideas, which is motivate participants or team members to present their thoughts without instant criticism. Next, establishing standards, which create consensus on standards for assessing concept. Then, advantages and disadvantages evaluation, which is this outline the advantages and disadvantages of every concept or ideas based on the defined standards. Lastly, adaptability and open-mindedness, which this can motivate team members to embrace adaptability and weigh the value of others' suggestions instead of strictly sticking to their own viewpoints.